Hi there, YouTube. This is NY Bless Coupon Doll here with a Rite Aid transaction. So let's get started. I was watching Greg That Dude, and he was talking about that the Contour Next Easy meters are now producing a $5 register reward. And I think he said he got that from Florida Crafter. So yesterday I had went out and I purchased 3 of the meters. I had 3 of the diabetes booklets left, and they adjusted my $10 coupon down because they're $9.99, and the coupon that's in that booklet is $10. So they adjusted it down without any problem, and I received $5 each on each meter, and also 3,000 points on each meter, making that 9,000 points and $15 in register rewards. So I went out today and I purchased 3 of the DiGiorno pizzas. The coupons that I had were expiring today, and I used one of the buy 2 get 1 DiGiorno pizza free. So I wrote $10 of the register rewards onto the pizzas, making them completely free. So, and I still have a $5 register reward left, and I have over 9,000 in points left as well. So I think this is an excellent way to roll your rewards on free items. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Be blessed. Bye.